Okay, we're looking at video number 2. Video number 2, we're looking at A2, which is scale drawing word problems. So this is just an application of our proportions. And I'm just going to start right in. It says Gabe measured a farm and made a scale drawing. In real life, the goat pen is 10 meters wide. It is 2 centimeters wide in the drawing. What is the scale of the drawing? And I might just pull up a little whiteboard here to talk about this. I'm going to make this just a tiny bit bigger here. So if I'm looking at this, I'm saying what's happening in real life in comparison to what's happening in my drawing. Okay, so just kind of keeping in mind what's happening here in this problem. It says Gabe measured a farm, made a scale drawing in real life. So we're talking about real life here. The goat pen is 10 meters and 2 centimeters in the drawing. So you can see I kind of line up the word with what's happening in the problem. And then it's asking me 1 centimeter. So what I want to do is I want to reduce this fraction to make it 1 centimeter in the bottom. In order to do that, right, to go from 2 to 1, I had to divide by 2. And so if I have to divide the top of the fraction by 2, I'm going to divide the bottom of the fraction by 2 and make this 5 meters. So what we're saying in this drawing is for every 1 centimeter, it actually converts in real life to 5 meters. Okay, so I can say 1 centimeter is 5 meters. Okay. Next one says, we're going to compare, in Beverly Hills, 2 Hollywood actors own houses that are 3 kilometers apart. What is the distance between the actors' houses on a map with a scale of 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer? So I'm going to just get rid of this because I'm really talking about the same sort of concept here, only this time instead of a drawing, I'm going to compare real life to a map, right? And it actually gives me my conversion, which is right here, okay? So the map is 2 centimeters, so I'm going to put that in the bottom, and the real life is 1 kilometer, so I'm going to put that in the top. So again, just matching real life and map with its words. And then it wants to know what is the distance between the actors' houses on a map if in real life they're 3 kilometers apart, right? So if I were to know the 3 kilometers, how much would that be in centimeters on my map? So to go from 1 to 3, this time I multiply because I'm getting bigger. So I would multiply times 3, and that would give me 6 centimeters on my map. 6 centimeters on my map, right? So I'll just put 6 right here. So the first part of this, you are just kind of figuring out what's happening with the proportions that they're giving me, and how can I convert that or use the conversion to determine what's missing from the problem. Okay, I'm actually going to have a second video on this one because as it shifts up into the problems, it changes to you having to write a scale on your own. So I want to do a whole nother video starting at 80. So I'll catch you in a second.